Hello, Hall Huskies. Welcome to our open house video. Open house this year kind of gave us a challenge. We didn't really know the best way to go about it. Normally, at open house, you and your families would all be more than welcome to come on in and see the entire building and to meet and talk to every one of the staff members here at Hall, myself included. Unfortunately, we can't do that this year. Also, because of our morning videos, you've already gotten a chance to connect with a lot of our staff and see a whole lot of the building. So, Mrs. Cutler and I had to figure out a way to show you something about Hall that you hadn't already seen. So here we are on the roof, hopefully giving you guys a view of our school that you might not have already had. I hope you enjoyed it. It's a little scary being up here on the roof, but I think it's worth it. And I hope that you go ahead and take some time to go back into our Bitmoji classrooms, because all of the teachers here at Hall have filmed their own videos to give you another glimpse at them, their classroom, or even their home lives. We hope it's a good chance for you to connect with them even more, and we hope you really enjoy it. And we hope that you enjoy this new take on our open house. Up next is Mrs. Cutler to show you how to access those videos. Have a great day and enjoy.
Hello, Hall Huskies. Well, I hope you enjoyed being out on the rooftop with Mr. Fitzenreiter. Now what I'm going to do is walk you through how the Bitmoji slides work in our presentation mode. We updated these from our welcome at the beginning of the year to be targeted towards our open house, which will be virtual. So you'll get to go through all the teachers' Bitmoji classrooms where they have added links for an open house video or some sort of presentation. You'll do that by starting here, which if you're watching this video, you've already clicked on our main Hall Elementary open house. And then we have several links just on this page. Going down on the bookshelf, you will see that we have some updated TikTok videos that we've added that we do just for fun, so you guys can kind of laugh at us or with us or however you perceive it. We also have our Seesaw main login page. We have our Facebook page, our Husky Howl newsletter, which goes out to parents at the end of every week, and then our Title I presentation, which is part of all of the open houses, and that you can take a look at, which is the reasoning behind us doing houses and informing you of the services we get through our Title I grant. Some of the really fun stuff you'll find here when you click on your student's teacher's link, which we have every grade level represented. In addition to our specials team, our support staff, like our social worker, psychologist, speech pathologist, and then our intervention, ESL, library are here. And then we have pre-K and our main office staff. Almost all of the ones you click on will have links for the open house. So for example, if I had a student in first grade, I would come upon these doors. What you want to do is click your student's teacher's name, or you really do have access to everybody here. So if you wanted to, you could go check out your teacher from last year or some other teachers you might know and see their page too, because you can go to any classroom, which is really cool. So let's say I have a student in Mr. Rigaud's class and I want to check out his page. Here's his page. Sometimes there's a lot of stuff going on in our classrooms, right? And that's in real life and on our virtual Bitmoji pages. So what you want to do is try to find the open house link. Here he has written open house, and most pages do. You will click on that link, and then you'll see either a video or a presentation come up, and then you can play it, and he will be able to tell you all the things about his open house. Now, each teacher did something a little differently, because we didn't give them any guidelines. They can talk about whatever they want as far as when it comes to their open house, and some of them literally went to their house and wanted to show you it. So that's pretty cool, right? If you get on a classroom and you're not sure how to leave it because you want to check out another classroom, click the home button. Right? On the home button, then you'll go back to the main page where you can access all other links to go anywhere else. So let's say you want to check out the library, which is awesome and totally updated, and they have a video of what it looks like now. You'll want to click on Mrs. Collette and Mrs. Thompson's link that says LMC. And then you'll find their page, and they have a video that I'll let you click on to see what the new library looks like. Again, you can click the home page to go back. So if you do have any questions when you're trying to access our slides, feel free to call us in the office. As long as it's between 8 and 3, we'll have someone by the phones. Also, the last thing Mr. Fitzenreiter and I want to tell you is thank you so much for all of your hard work. We know this technology is hard. I know personally all this stuff is pretty new to me too, and figuring out how to do it, okay? So if you ever need or have any questions, Mrs. Potts and Mrs. Porter are here to answer the phones, and myself and Mr. Fitzenreiter as well, and we thank you for all the hard work you're doing at home to get your students prepared. And students, thank you for coming to school every day. I know our teachers love to see your faces. All right, thanks for joining our open house. Have a good evening. Bye.